So Zelda sings I love you in binary, and that's just zeros and ones, and then dots and dashes are Morse code, and I use dots and dashes and
1. A robot may not injure a human being, or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. 2. A robot must obey the orders given it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second laws.
A robot may not harm humanity, or, through inaction, allow humanity to come to harm. This prioritizes the well-being of humanity as a whole above individual human safety or obedience to orders. Other possible considerations, Law 4 or 5 Law on Deception, suggested by Darius Jemuniak in 2024, is, a robot or AI must not deceive a human being by impersonating a human being.
19.
This addresses
was
concerns
even-
about
and there was
AI's
more.
ability
The
to create
fourth day.
believable fake content
20.
and interact in ways
And
that
God
might
said,
mislead
"Let
humans.
the water teem with living
AI
creatures,
awareness,
and
Nikola
let birds fly
Kesarovsky's
above the
short
earth
story
across the
proposes
vault of
a
the
fifth
sky."
law,